This is my final Lego room, and it won't be ready for at least another year. In the meantime, we are being affected by the bad economical situation here, to the point where we've decided to move to a smaller apartment in a smaller city. So I've spent half of February reviewing Lego sets and the other half driving a van to move my family. My new Lego room is about half the size of the previous one, so I'm struggling to adapt. But at least this place comes with a small backyard that you can expect to see a lot now. As a result, I have no progress to report this month. Sorry about that. Literally the only thing I've managed to do was drawing this sticker for my A10 model. I hope to be able to finish some projects next month, but it's hard to make any promises at this point. I'm sure you understand. My review of the 42,139 set will be coming in a few days, as it was delayed by having to move. Other than that, I have no sets waiting for reviews. I just have this little wish list that may or may not come true. Times are tough and I need to focus on my family, not to mention that I now have like 6 square meters of space to squeeze my workshop into.